Okay, so here's the town. So the town's not that big. I think we came in around this space. This is the city hotel. Hello.
Hello.
And then this is where we're at now.
Yeah, Krabi Thailand.
So he says Krabi Thailand and he points right there. So he says here.
Maybe
Yeah.
long boat around.
Oh, it's okay. I'm just looking around. I'm just. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna continue walking, and photographer filming the same thing that I am with a really nice camera. Nice city streets, and we are going to walk. Oh, they got a nice Times Square thing there too. Hello. It's pretty cool. Taxi service. Okay. Actually, there's this is definitely a tourist town. The airport is 350 still. But I think there's some public buses that go there, so I'll just explore that later. Well, anyways, like this gold. This is a little touch of Krabi town. First and only shopping mall. This way, 100 meters, right there. Okay. So if we want to go to the shopping mall later, it's this building. So we'll just keep on walking though. Halal food. City Hotel since 1991. Okay. Here's Marketplace. No.
Why?
Walking. So there's a marketplace right there. Could go into the marketplace too, but I'm gonna keep walking for a while. Nails before males. It's kind of funny.
You come just now, I saw you go airport service and say,
Okay. So I'm just gonna keep walking to the I kind of want to see how big this town is. What I see I like. Pretty cool space right there too. So we're gonna walk all the way down to this waterfront river. Tourist information everywhere. Inside, I haven't seen a lot of them, but it's okay. Riverview Hotel. So I guess down here you get a view of the river. So we'll take a look at the river view then. Okay, there's also a pier, so I guess you can travel on the river. We'll find that out in a minute as well. And once we get to the river, I'll probably conclude this one, but at least that way we've kind of walked across the town. And I see some limestone cliffs way over in the distance. Let's see if we see more of those. And let's find out. Got to get across this. Oh. And there's a pier right there. So we're gonna take a look in a minute. Okay, so here's the town. So the town's not that big. I think we came in around this space. This is the city hotel. Hello.
Hello.
And then this is where we're at now.
Yeah, Krabi Thailand.
So he says Krabi Thailand, and he
Krabi
points
Thailand,
right there. So he says here.
Maybe
Yeah.
long tail boat around.
Oh, it's okay. I'm just looking around. I'm just filming. No,
boat
just
1
I just.
hour.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you though.
Okay.
Thank you. Couple crab. So they do boat tours here, and we're just filming. So I think it's like got some sand there too. But they'll do boat tours, so you can do a boat tour here. So, and this is one of the guys that does the boat tours. So they got us some sands over there too, and we have a pier over there. Looks nice. Yeah, and actually these two right here. I don't know if you remember that one picture that I had in the other video, but these two things were in that one painting as well. Yeah, actually the town looks nice, but nice and small. It's really idyllic, actually. And we're gonna pause right there. Okay, so we're gonna do another Krabi town one, and I don't know if you saw the other video, and there's like some paintings for these two right here. Now I know where that's at, so they're painting those two in particular, and that comes right from the town. I thought it might have been from Ao Nang, the beaches. There's so many like, beautiful limestone cliffs everywhere around here. And there's a waterfront, so people are walking up this waterfront here, and they're also going to this pier and walking all the way down. So there's a whole river with tour guides right here too. So you can take all this stuff. And then there's the town. And I can pretty much go in any direction right now. But we're gonna take a look at this map one more time. And here's the Krabi River, so we're basically like right on the side. So the town is not that big, but it's big enough for sure. So we're gonna walk up this way a little bit, and then we're going to have a good day. And then we're gonna that guy came up to me right away, so he was trying to sell something, but sell a boat tour, but I don't want to do a boat tour right now. Guy with a camera and a suitcase in his hand is probably gonna go to either hotel or airport, probably not gonna jump on a boat. But that's how you get business, and if I was just coming in and I had to wait for my hotel or something like that, then I'd probably come back and do it. There's beautiful sand dunes right over there too. Huh. Yeah, that's a nice town. Some really cool stuff everywhere. Nice little tourist town. All your basic amenities. Hotels. Really caters towards the international tourists too. I was just in Hachai, and it's basically servicing Malaysian tourists, and then this one serves more international. Let's see if we can get across here. Might not be able to very easily. I'm gonna stop for a little bit and then pick up later.